Hey, what's going on, floaters? ReggieFloat222 here, and before we start the goofiness, I just want to start with some serious stuff. I will be starting, along with Tristan, we'll be starting a regular upload schedule for videos, and the first video will be starting on Monday. It's going to be a montage of Annihilation, and we will be having a regular upload schedule after that every time that we have a video to upload. It won't mean necessarily every day, more like every other day. But that's about it. So we're gonna jump into the usual stuff. Thanks for watching.
I have the weirdest boner.
Dude, you too?
What? I need to get out of here.
I don't.
Can I get out now? I'm out. Ah, come here.
Oh. And we're live! Yeah, that's fun. Look at that. I'm majestic calmly. Is it recording? Is it recording? Is it recording?
This is my card for our test. We were allowed to do a card for the test and mine has nothing on it.
Mine's the same way.
Because I actually know what we're doing and you just
Yo, it's Cat Friday.
Seth, tell me more about that card. That sounded really interesting.
Yo. Wait. Hit me up on that Twitter grind.
Okay.
Yo. So overlays right now at DPJ_731 and at whatever Tucker's is, and we're gonna take a test. So bye.
Blackman! What's up, bitch? Yeah, start jerking it. Yeah, get your.
Oh God.
Get over here, Noah.
No, wait, no.
This is going on YouTube. This is